Push.
Hike! Hike! Turn. Turn, Griffin, turn. Hike! Here we are, snowshoeing in the Alps.
Dogs don't like this.
I know. Hey, hey, hey! We lost part of the team. Let's get over. Hike! Stay on, Griffin. Come on, Griffy boy. Pick it up a notch. Look at your sister over here, Danae. She knows what she's doing. Danae is on a mission. Okay, let's try it. Whoa! Whoa! Alright. Not a good whoa there. Bob, your dog did not do a whoa.
I didn't talk.
Over.
Whoa.
Whoa. Good whoa.
Sit there.
Good whoa.
Sit there. 3 times. Sit.
Fantastic training. I've never seen the likes of it. This dog must be professionally trained. All right. Giddy up, girls. Come on, Griffin. Here we go. Back to the tundra. Giddy up. Oh, nice job, Griffin. We don't pee on the trail. Okay. I'll catch up. Thank you, Griffy. Hey, that's a little too much digging, pal. Easy. Easy. Stay on. Okay, we're overtaking him. We're almost to the finish line. Let's go, Griff. We can do it. We get a new truck if we win the Iditarod. Let's go. You can take her. She's small. Let's go. No, Griffin. Can you edit out the sound? Huh? Ouch.
Huh?
Neck and neck. Oh, he pulled the head. So this is what it's like snowshoeing in the Alps. Except there's no freeway close by in the Alps. Oh, crap!